Do you want to know how you can update your Temu app on your phone? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can update the Temu app. Go ahead and open Play Store on your phone, then search for Temu. Make sure that you have installed Temu on your phone. Click on Temu and you can see that there is an update available. To update your Temu app, go ahead and click update, which is over here. In a while you can see that your update has been downloading and the Temu app is now going to install. This way you will get a newer version of the Temu app. I hope this video about how you can update your Temu app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.